We are producing 5 million tons of thermal coal per annum and supplying that into our customer Sasol for fuel generation. The customer requires reliable supply, that's continuous supply throughout. So it's very much important that we do not have any interruptions at all. And for us to maintain that, we need to have online monitoring to understand what our system is doing at all times.
The plant structure works like this. We've got our tip that's located 11.5 kilometers from here. We load coal obviously into the tip bin. It goes through the open feeder, through our crushing and screening system. That's the first part that we call the tip at the mine. From there it goes onto the overland conveyor, which transports the coal 11.5 kilometers all the way to just in front of the bunker here.
Total integrated automation was key for us to make sure that we are able to link to any other system that we have on the mine and to assist us in online monitoring the quality of our coal and the whole project itself. Parameters required is that one, we supply 0% oversized coal with less than 33% ash and less than 3% contamination and 11% moisture. So it is very much important for us to make sure that we are consistently supplying coal within those specifications.
The totally integrated automation system from Siemens allows us to increase the reliability because we know beforehand that the integration between each subcomponent will be without any problems.
The whole automated system by Siemens helped us reduce our costs by making sure that we have one operational controller that can see the whole plant at one time. So instead of having 12 people monitoring different parts of the system, you can control the whole system with only one person.
The diagnostic system that is available within the WinCC allows the control room operator to immediately identify where it went wrong and send out the plant operator on the floor to go and investigate the problem. We have fiber optic communication from the tip to the control room to give us the information real time.
The technicians enjoy working on the WinCC system because it's easy to understand, it's easy to use, and all the controls and the monitoring of our conveyor belt system is done reliably.
People have set KPIs in terms of reliability, in terms of mean time to failures, mean time to repair, and an uptime in terms of availability of the system, which we are currently targeting at 90% and stretching ourselves to 92%.
The quality and reliability of the Siemens products, it's one of the best.
Well, one of the biggest reasons for us is Siemens is a reputable company and we know that we're not going to stand tomorrow without spares. The life of this mine is 20 years and We want to know that we're going into business with a company that will still be there in 20 years.
You would want to be using somebody that is global to make sure that you can be in touch with them anywhere in the world, rather than to use companies that are fly-by-night, and when you require the support you cannot have it.
And I must admit that the decision to go with Siemens is one of the best decisions ever made by Anglo.